Now let's see how we can insert the records in this particular table, right? So to insert records, we have to use the keyword insert into, where we have to insert into this particular table, employee, right? After inserting, what we have to insert? Values, right? Let's give the values here, employee ID, and here let's say Bob, and here instead of double quotes we can give single quotes, Bob, comma, and then the date format should be 2000, year, and then month, and then date. Okay, so let's execute this query. So if you select and see this table, you can see the records. So this is how we can insert one particular row, right? Suppose if you want to insert multiple rows, you can use the same command, but here you have to use comma as a separator. And since we gave this primary key here, we cannot use the same value again and again. This particular column has to be unique, right? Let's give 2, 3. Okay, let's insert. Okay, now let's query this employee table. So if you see, we have inserted 3 records, right? So this is how we can insert records in the table.